What's up, friends? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview your form in Google Form. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google Forms. And if you don't know how to find it, once you go to Google Forms directly from Google, let me show you. You click the apps on Google, find forms in the list. And once you find forms, you click on that. And so once you're inside form, you can find your forms that you've created or accessed recently under the recent forms. And you can click in the form. Now, once you're in the form, if you want to go ahead and preview the form, you want to look at the top right and you will see a bunch of icons. And as you can see, there's an eye. You click on the eye and this is going to allow you to preview the form. If you want to share the form with someone, for example, so they can view it, you can copy the link right here. So it's copy responder link. You copy this and you can basically copy it and you can share it as well. If you want to publish it, you can also do that as well. But this is how you can preview your form in Google Form. Very easy and very simple.